Here at Rockwell Automation's World Headquarters, in partnership with Microsoft, Cyberdyne Systems, Stark Industries, Wayne Enterprises, and Wonka Confections, research has been proceeding to develop advanced analytical models supporting our line of automation products that establishes new standards for quality, technological leadership, and operational excellence, all designed to drive confection manufacturing powered via ecological energy sources designed to gain synergies through addressing gaps in justice systems. With customer and individual justice as our primary focus, work has been proceeding on the crudely conceived idea of an AI that would not only provide real-time insights on the inverse reactive arc current for use in unilateral phase detractors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal gram meters and push notifications. Such an instrument, comprised of Dodge gears and bearings, Stark arc reactors, Allen Bradley controls, and all monitored by Rockwell software, is Rockwell Automation's Fabric Encabulator. Now, basically the only new principle involved is that instead of data being generated by a relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it's produced by the quad-modal interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive distractance and fed into NVIDIA CUDA-Core technology for large language models built upon dynamic spanning cluster nodes that feed ChatGPT-powered Bing Chat to produce conversational processing. This output, along with 40 petabytes of 3D modeled images stored on OneLake, is used by a proprietary integration between DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Azure Data Factory. While the original machine from 2008 had a base plate of prefabulated amulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in direct line with the panoramic fan. The latest model's solid-state amulite housing takes advantage of 128-bit amulite cores, driving the new base 100K spurving bearings kept within geo-alignment with the dynamic quad liquid-cooled thermal sinks that maintain a consistent temperature of negative 60 Kelvin below absolute zero. The new lineup consists simply of 60 million hydroscopic marsal vanes, so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. In previous versions, the main winding was of the normal Lotus O deltoid type, placed in panoramic semiloid slots of the stator, with every seventh conductor being connected by a non-reversible terminal pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the gram meters. With advances from Cyberdyne Technologies, we no longer limit the non-reversible terminal pipe and have full alignment between all conductors. Of course, the Lotus O deltoid has been upgraded to include the Lotus O zone set directly in each pandemic semiloid slots of the stator, eliminating the previous differential girdle spring and ensuring a consistent up end of the gram meters. Moreover, fluorescent score motion is continuously available and employed in conjunction with a drawn reciprocation Wonka dingle arm that completely eliminates sinusoidal depleneration. The Fabric Encabulator has now reached a high level of development and is being successfully used in the operation of Milford Trunnions. It's available soon, wherever Rockwell Automation products are sold.